Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to explain in this video is based on real experiences we've had over the years while working with equipment and customers. One of the issues that confuses customers the most happens when the machine turns on, the brushes are working, but it loses its ability to extract water and the E4 error code appears. Many people think the motor is damaged, but in most cases, the problem is related to a loss of suction within the system. At our repair shop, we first check the dirty water tank because this component needs to create a perfect seal to generate the necessary vacuum. If the lid is not closing properly, the rubber seal has dirt buildup, or there is even a small air leak, the Hoover may detect low pressure and trigger this error. It is also common to find debris buildup such as pet hair, carpet fibers, or dirt inside the air pathway. Some customers mention that the machine seems to be running, but it no longer picks up water like it used to. This usually indicates restricted airflow and does not necessarily mean the motor has failed. Another important point is the proper installation of the tank. Sometimes, after emptying or cleaning it, the tank is slightly out of position. And even though it appears closed, it may not create a proper seal. Technicians always recommend checking that all parts are correctly installed before taking the equipment apart. If the error continues after cleaning the filters, checking the tank, and removing possible blockages, it may then be necessary to inspect internal components such as flow sensors, internal leaks, or the suction motor. In these cases, it is best to contact a qualified technician to prevent further damage. So far, Hoover has not announced a major redesign to eliminate this issue. Therefore, the main recommendation remains keeping the filters clean, checking the seals, and performing regular maintenance.